£195 DWP Household Support Fund explained. Are you on universal credit, housing benefit, or council tax reduction? If so, you could be entitled to a £195 one-off payment through a scheme funded by the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP. But there are strict deadlines and the money is limited, so let's break down who qualifies, how to apply, and what you need to know before you miss out. Who is running the scheme? The support is being managed by Rother District Council in East Sussex, with funding passed down from East Sussex County Council as part of the DWP's Household Support Fund, HSF. This is not a loan and you don't have to pay it back. The goal is simple: to help struggling households cover basic living costs like food, gas, electricity, and water. Application deadline and fund limits. The scheme is open from April 2025 until 31 March 2026, but here's the catch. Once the money runs out, applications will close. Councils always warn that funding is limited, so applying early gives you the best chance. Remember, if you wait until next year, you could miss out completely. Who can apply? Eligibility. To qualify, you must be 18 years or older, live in the Rother District Council area, be struggling with food, energy, or water bills, be receiving one of the following: universal credit with housing cost element, housing benefit, council tax reduction. How much will you get and how is it paid? Each household can receive a £195 payment. Payment is made directly into your bank account. Only one application per household is allowed between 1st April 2025 and 31 March 2026. If you submit multiple applications, the system will automatically block duplicates. Special circumstances. If you move to another council area, you can apply again under that new authority scheme if they're running one. If you have applied before under HSF 6, October 2024, March 2025, you may be eligible in the later phase from September 2025. How to apply? Applications are completed online via the official portal. Use quick code 573B4L to go directly to the right scheme. You'll need proof of benefits, UC, housing benefit, or council tax reduction letter, proof of address, utility bill, tenancy agreement, or council tax bill, bank account details for payment. Aware of scams, the council will never ask for money to apply. Only use the official Rother District Council website. Application phases. Phase 1, April to September. Priority given to households who did not receive HSF 6. Phase 2, from 15 September 2025, all eligible households can apply, but funds may be lower by then. Quick reference table. Detail, information. Payment amount, £195, one-off. Deadline, 31 March 2026 or earlier if funds run out. Eligible benefits, universal credit, housing benefit, council tax reduction. Council area, Rother District, East Sussex. Age requirement, 18 plus. Limit, 1 application per household. Payment method, direct to bank. General applications from 15 September 2025. Portal quick code, 573B4L. FAQs, frequently asked questions. 1. Can I apply more than once? No, only 1 application per household unless you move to another council. 2. What if I accidentally apply twice? The system rejects duplicates, only the first will be processed. 3. Is this UK-wide? Not at the moment. This particular scheme is only for Rother District residents in East Sussex, but similar HSF programs may be available in other councils. This £195 DWP support payment is a lifeline for households struggling with everyday costs. If you're eligible, apply as soon as possible using the quick code 573B4L. If you found this update helpful, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and if your council is offering something similar. Like and share so more people don't miss out. Subscribe for the latest UK benefits and DWP updates so you never fall behind.